In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Sites. Start by opening your Google site in your web browser by going to the Google Sites editor through google.com. Once your site is open, make sure you are on the page where you want the table of contents to appear. This feature is especially helpful for longer pages because it lets visitors jump straight to the section they need without scrolling. Now look to the right-hand sidebar in the editor. This is where you add new elements to your page. Click the Insert tab. The Insert panel contains the building blocks for your site, like text boxes, images, and other content sections. Next, scroll down through the Insert options until you find Table of Contents. Click Table of Contents, and Google Sites will place a Table of Contents block onto your page right away. You can leave it where it appears, or move it to a more convenient spot on the page by dragging it depending on your layout. At this point, it is important to understand how the table of contents is created. It automatically generates based on any text on your page that is styled as a heading or a subheading. In other words, normal body text will not show up in the list. If your table of contents looks empty or is missing items, go back and make sure your section titles are formatted as headings or subheadings in your page content. Once those heading styles are in place, the table of contents updates to reflect them. If you want to hide a specific heading from the table of contents without deleting it from the page, click the eye icon next to that heading inside the table of contents block. This is useful when a heading is needed for structure on the page, but you do not want it listed for navigation. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make your changes live on your site. After publishing, visitors will be able to use the table of contents links to jump to each section instantly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.